Hi, this is Ian Yaga from Gewrew Yoga, and this is your Yoga Nidra guided meditation yoga class for better rest and better sleep. So, as we begin, lie down on your back, whether it be on a bed, a lounge, or the floor. And as your feet are shoulder width apart and the hands facing upwards, away from the hips, gently start to close the eyes. Initiate in a greater awareness towards your breathing, your pranayama. In through the nose, as gentle, as relaxed as possible. And then also back out through the nostrils, completely and almost effortlessly emptying the lungs. Feel that breath relax you, calm you, and even uplift you in some ways, as this breath will be used as a healing mechanism, controlling what goes in and what goes out through your breath. But it's also an energy regulator in your human body. So this pranayama taps into the nervous system and can profoundly impact pain, perception, and physical healing. So as you settle in, the jaw unclenched, the muscles in the face relaxed, this slow, deep breathing activates the rest and digest system, reducing your stress hormones like cortisol that can amplify pain sensitivity. So as you observe the top of the head, relax, relax, relax. The forehead, the eye sockets, the ears, the cheekbones, the muscles around the nose and the mouth. Relax them. Relax the muscular tension, calming the nerve signals. Observe the breath as you take it a little bit deeper, a little bit slower, which is then interrupting the pain cycle, cutting the loop, which increases tension in the body and the mind. Now from the jaw, observe the throat, the front of the throat, and each side of the throat. Breathing a little bit deeper, enhancing your oxygen supply, which then accelerates tissue repair and reduces inflammation, easing physical discomfort. Now from the bottom of the throat to the chest, from the left side of the chest, relax, relax, relax. Along that chest towards the shoulder, from the front of the shoulder to the side of the shoulder to the back of the shoulder. Relax, taking the weight off your shoulder. And as you go from the shoulder across that chest to the right side, relax. Feel the chest start to open up as you breathe consciously, directing the breath that will access subtle layers of awareness that reshape how we experience pain. And along the chest till you find the shoulder. From the left side or front of the shoulder to the side of the shoulder to the back of the shoulder. Relaxed, relaxed, relaxed. And then from the shoulder now, down the torso, from the sternum, the mid part of your torso, just beneath the rib cage. Relax, relax, relax. As you breathe deeply, all the way down to the pit of your belly, or manupuraka as we call it. This pranayama rewires the brain's pain processing centers, reducing the emotional intensity linked to physical sensations. This is enhancing your meditative breathing, which then creates a state of witness consciousness, allowing you to observe pain without becoming overwhelmed by it. And then from the torso to the lower abdominals, the outer obliques or the side of the torso, relax, relax, relax. Continue to breathe a little bit deeper, but a little bit slower, as a slow rhythmic breathing stimulates the release of endorphins, the natural painkillers produced by the body. Now observing from the front of the hips, really drawing awareness to the hips, ensuring that you're maintaining conscious healing. From the front of the hip to the side of the hip to the back of the hip, all relaxing, relaxing, relaxing. Allow the breath to flow through all these nadis or energy channels efficiently and effortlessly. Observing from the right hip all the way down the leg, from the front of the leg, all the muscles in the front of the leg, relaxing, 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 to the knee, relaxing everything around the knee, down the shin, to the ankle, to the front of the foot, or top of the foot. So you observe the toes, the big toe, the next toe, the middle toe, the next toe, and then the smallest toe. Relaxed, relaxed, relaxed. From the toes, observe the sole of the foot, releasing all the tension here, all the way down to the heel. Relaxed, relaxed, relaxed. From the ankle joint to the back of the Achilles, all the way up to the calf, the back of the knee, the back of the leg, the upper leg. Relaxed, relaxed, relaxed. To the hamstring, the top of the hamstring, back to the glute, then across to the opposite hip, to the side of the hip, and then to the front of the hip. Relax, relax, relax. Allow awareness to be the engineer. Like machines that rely on external engineers to diagnose faults, through your pranayama and this meditative state, you become your own inner engineer, tuning awareness to pinpoint and release areas of pain. Continue to release as you release your next breath. Observe the front of the hip, down the front of the leg, all the muscles down the leg, to observe the knee, the shin, the ankle joint, all relaxing. Top of the foot and all the muscles relaxing towards the toes. Do you observe the big toe, the next toe, the middle toe, the toe beside that, and then the pinky toe. Relaxing, relaxing, relaxing. Coming back to the sole of the foot. Completely softening the padding in the sole of the foot. All the way down to the heel. The back of the heel. Up towards the ankle joint. And then the calf. Relaxing, relaxing, relaxing. From here, the back of the knee needs to relax. Breathing into it, and then breathing out of it. Soothing the mind and providing immediate relief. And then from the back of the leg, the hamstring. Relaxing, relaxing, relaxing. Scanning towards the tailbone now, as the base and foundation of self. Relax it, calm it, and breathe into it. Now observe the spine at the base, slowly working way up past the hips to the lower back. Relaxing the lower back and all the muscles associated with that area. Calming, calming, calming. And then from the low back to the mid back, the mid upper back across the shoulders and shoulder blades. Relaxing, relaxing, relaxing. The top of the back connected to the neck, your upper traps. From the left side, relaxing all the tension leading to the base of the skull. Breathe into it. And send the awareness to the left side, to the left arm, the back of the left arm, the tricep, the elbow, the forearm, and the wrist. From the wrist, the back of the hand, completely relaxing to open up the palm of the hand, and then observing the finger or fingers. From the pinky to the ring, to the middle, to the index, and to the thumb. Opening up the palm, relaxing, relaxing, relaxing. And then from the wrist, up the forearm, softening to the elbow, then the bicep, all the muscles in the upper arm are relaxed. Breathing your attention now across the chest again to observe the right shoulder down the front of the right arm to the bicep, eventually to the elbow, relaxing that and opening up the arm. From the forearm all the way down, relaxing, 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 to the wrist, gently opening up the palm even more to observe the pinky, the ring finger, the middle finger, the index finger, and the thumb. The tips of the fingers of both hands are relaxed, relaxed, relaxed. Take the time now to observe and breathe into the back of the hand. Then the forearm to the elbow, upwards towards the tricep, all the muscles in the back of the right arm. Relaxed, relaxed, relaxed. And then breathing in upwards towards the neck, the back of the skull, and then the top of the head, so that every part of your body is relaxed, is calm through intentional breath manipulation, calming and healing. As you continue to settle, observe that this is about understanding and transforming discomfort. Yoga, often celebrated as a path to physical freedom and mental clarity, will also encounter some pain and discomfort during certain postures. Here, we try to understand the roots of this pain and learning how to work with it consciously, which can then transform the practice from mere physical exercise into a profound healing journey. Continue to settle. Feel the earth or the bed or the lounge hugging you closer to it as you continue to relax. Calm in this tranquil oasis of serenity. You can choose to continue to remain lying down, observing the breath, and getting to a deeper meditative state. Do this for another 2 minutes to 3 minutes. To feel the full effects of this healing journey tonight. Thank you for listening. I'm Ian Karyaga, Gewrew Yoga.